Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll guide you through how to create a folder in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to make a new folder in Google Docs, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To create a folder in Google Docs, first of all, open Google Docs on your computer or mobile device. Once open, create a new document by clicking on the plus icon. You can also open an existing one. Now, rename your document and set a name for this file. Write something into your document. From the top of the screen, click on the Move icon. If you are in the mobile app, tap on the three dots at the top of the screen and select Move from the menu. Once you click, a pop-up screen appears. From here, click on the My Drive button or click on All Locations and open My Drive. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an icon to create a new folder. Click on it. Now, set the name of the folder for your Docs file and click the Create button. Finally, tap on the Move button to add your Docs file to your new folder. Remember that this folder is created in your Google Drive, so to view it, you need to open Google Drive on your computer or mobile device. Once you are in Google Drive, click on My Drive from the left side of the screen and select your folder. Here is your Google document. You can edit the doc file from here or from Google Docs.